This is the spot of the infamous picture that she did swipe right on. So this is the origin story of how she decided that her life would go downhill. It's nice being able to share this with you, actually. I can't believe we're here.
I'm northern and we both have traveled far. We have made a fortune in each other's arms, holding on to moments, in a moment they will pass. I could do this every day. Did you ask?
Hey, Peach, what are we up to?
We are waiting for our shuttle to take us to our rental car so we can drive to Limerick.
Well, what are we doing before we get to Limerick?
Getting coffee.
Yes.
And food.
Yes.
Maybe crying a little bit.
And then what?
And then we're going to the Rock of Cashel.
The Rock of Cashel.
Yeah.
Let me remind you if you don't know what I'm feeling, and I'm right beside you, cause I could do this every day. Let me remind you if you don't know how I'm feeling, and already decided that I could do this every day. Keep on dancing, don't stop moving, keep the rhythm between the both of us. And if the day comes when you're falling, I will hold you by my side. And if the day comes when you're falling, I will hold you by my side.
So it's nice and windy in here. We're at the Rock of Cashel. We just finished the tour, and now we're exploring it on our own. Last time I was here, we did not do the general tour, and we learned so much this time around. Actually, one of the more interesting things is these little walkways behind me. I didn't know those were a thing last time. What was one interesting thing that you learned from the tour?
They put little holes in the walls on purpose so that whenever intruders are coming through the hallways, like pour boiling water or boiling like animal fat on them to slow them down.
Some people had bad days in this building.
Let me remind you if you don't know what I'm feeling, and I'm right beside you, cause I could do this every day. Let me remind you if you don't know how I'm feeling, and already decided that I could do this every day. Keep on dancing, don't stop moving, keep the rhythm between the both of us.
Hi, Eddie. What are you doing right now?
We're driving through Ireland. She's trusting me with the wheel. You can't see it right now, but once we get over this hill, you'll see the lush green lands of Ireland. Hopefully she'll see a bunch of cows. It's been a really nice trip. It's been a really nice trip with her so far. Look at all them! Oh, those are sheep.
Oh my god.
I think those are sheep.
Look at all those. They're sheep.
They're sheeps.
Driving it blind. I know you're reckless too, chasing new heights. I know you're reckless too. Yeah, just like a firefly in Tokyo. Yeah. They don't see us for all the neon glow. I can tell you're different, falling from the stars, from a different planet, drifting in the dark.
Here's the baggage. I'm sorry, I said that. You can believe that.
Yeah.
Driving it blind. I know you're reckless too, chasing new heights.
zigzag right above Paige. They're skiers.
Wait, you still have a little bit, right?
Yeah, you get
This
that.
time my mom.
Oh, that would be cool.
Driving it by. You're reckless too, chasing you high. You're reckless too. He gets on lines, make us lose our minds, got us acting wild. Moving too high. You're reckless too. I know you're reckless.
We are on the Glacier Express. We're seeing some pretty amazing things out here. Yeah, I think she likes her birthday present, if I do say so myself.
She said hey.
Yeah, it's all right. Somebody asked us if we were on our honeymoon earlier. Oh, yeah. Oh, I got it. It's the sun rising, but it's like the afternoon because the mountains are so high.
So yeah, responding to that, yes, we're on our honeymoon. Sorry, mom and dad, we didn't see you.
There's the Matterhorn back there. Can't see it because it's obscured by the clouds. It's definitely there. This is the view from our balcony on the top floor of the Rex.
Does it feel like this now? Does it feel like this now? Everybody wants to be living in a fantasy. Does it feel like this now? Does it feel like this now? Everybody wants to be living in a fantasy. Oh. Does it feel like this now? Does it feel like this now? Everybody wants to be living in a fantasy. Does it feel like this now? Does it feel like this now? Everybody wants to be living in a fantasy.
Yeah,
okay?
I'm good.
Here's the Matterhorn. Casually in the background.
This is nuts. We made it.
Made it. Look at that.
Now we're going to the aquarium, the real masterpiece of France.
We're gonna see the fishies. Maybe Nemo will be there.
And
Every little sweet, sweet nothing. I only ever spent on you. You can chalk it up to half as loving. My tensions never made it through. 'Cause I
Made it.
we made it.
Macaroonies.
leave you without that feeling. 'Cause they only made for two. I got caught up in the hustle shuffle, but my love was always made for you. 'Cause I won't let you go. 'Cause I won't let you go.
Another one.
No.
Won't let you go. Won't let you go.
All right, so this is our little patch of heaven for the stay in Paris. It's right under the metro station, and it is that close to the Eiffel Tower. our kitchen, complete with a full steering wheel. This is where we stay. There's the Eiffel Tower. How about that? It's so beautiful out today. Oh, the Eiffel Tower is beautiful too, I guess. One of the 7 wonders of the world, ladies and gentlemen. People came from around the world just to see you, Peach.
Dark chocolate. Wait, yeah, this one's the dark chocolate one.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's my first bite of macaroni ever. Oh. It's really good.
That is delicious.
It's really good. I
It's like-
finally get the hype.
What the hell does it remind me of?
It does kind of taste like a brownie. The texture reminds me of a Fig Newton.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Mmm.
So, what are your thoughts?
I'm not saying I'm disappointed in the Eiffel Tower, but I thought I'd be able to see up higher.